UFOs, so they disappeared. Once the whole system goes back to normal, Colonel Sokolov and his team came in, took the thing apart, could not figure out what it was. It wasn't a power surge or EMPs or some of the baloney excuses that our country has given for similar events involving our nuclear missiles. They thought it was a message from where the UFOs were from, and that's a chilling thing. I mean, these were a couple of seconds away from World War II started. UFOs were on a UFO. So one of those guys, I don't say, I mean, I'm not saying a lot of these guys were doing what they were after. They was like that, because that's what you're supposed to do. The doctors are the one, they wasn't what they did as punishment, some of the business they do, or something. You're back there, I start,